As a project manager, you're constantly looking at your budget. Staying efficient is extremely challenging.
Labor costs can start driving up if you're not being efficient.
A lot of the equipment we're using, it's a lot of old stuff. Nothing's been innovated.
We look for better ways, faster ways.
You have to be competitive.
Owners are like, why can't you do it faster?
Reinstalls are a big issue.
Would you be interested in seeing a technology called Hubbell EdgeConnect that can solve a lot of these problems?
Yeah, we would love to.
Oh, wow.
What we got over here?
Hubbell EdgeConnect is a screwless termination technology that is at least 65% faster. No screwdrivers required. Insert the wire, engage the lever, and you're done.
Imagine if you're doing 300 of these, you're saving a lot on labor.
The way this holds, it does not come out.
Ready to put it to the test?
Oh, absolutely.
We're racing. EdgeConnect technology versus standard technology. 3, 2, 1, start. Hubbell EdgeConnect uses patented spring termination technology. The spring terminates conductors instantly and applies constant pressure, so the wire connections get stronger over time. This reduces installation time, eliminates electrical tape, and the requirement for a torque driver, which results in fewer callbacks and enables more competitive bids. EdgeConnect terminals accommodate 14 to 10 gauge solid or stranded wire.
I got my money on the EdgeConnect.
437?
How's your forearms feeling, Alex?
Not good.
Oh, we're done.
Hubbell EdgeConnect, it is easier, more efficient.
There's no screws on the side to use short on the edge of a box. You push it in, it snaps closed, and you cannot get that wire out of there.
It just saves so much time. And with less labor, the more profit we make, the more we can go after other jobs and get more jobs.
I can easily sell this to my customer.
If another company's bidding without the EdgeConnect technology, you're kind of going to be left in the dust.
This is a game changer.